A lovely cold and wet start to the day. That's what I'm used to. Good morning everybody, hope you are all good. Oh, I thought I could take a slightly different ride to work today. Sorry about any water on the lenses. That's England for you. I was just thinking back to when I first brought my bike. This is literally my first decent bike after my CBF 125. So I passed my test and I brought the bike from the guy that I did the test through. I've been looking at a couple of different ones, but this really was the only bike that was in my price range. I wasn't able to test ride any bike before I brought them. I think it's because of, I think it's something to do with insurance and having your bike license, your full one, for over a year, which is fair enough because I literally came from a 125 straight up to this, and yeah, it took me a while to get my confidence up. But I remember when I took it home for the first time, obviously as they all do, it had lit next to no fuel in. I had to go straight to the fuel station and fill up. So when I got there I had to queue up and I decided to turn the engine off. There's no point leaving it running. And all of a sudden there was this beeping. And I was thinking, what the hell is this? So I knew my bike had an alarm, but I had no idea how it worked. And then all of a sudden it stopped. So I thought, oh, okay, that's fine. Obviously this was the alarm setting. As I start walking the bike closer to the fuel stop, of course it starts going off. I am absolutely panicking. I'm just thinking, what the hell do I do? How have I done this? What's going on? I had my gloves on so I couldn't press the button to stop it. I was just doing all sorts. I'm just stood there on my bike, alarm going off, a couple of people looking around thinking, what the hell is this idiot doing? So embarrassing. So as soon as I got home, I was literally messaging my mate who's got the same data tool alarm. He gave me a quick rundown of exactly how it worked. But yeah, great start to having a new bike. Not having a clue how to use it. I actually also managed to drop it on one of my first weekend trips because I was not used to the weight. I don't know how much the CBF 125 weighs, but I could literally pick it up from the back if I wanted to move it around. And this bike is bloody heavy. It's probably my only negative opinion on this bike is its weight. So if any of you had this issue with the kickstand, when you turn the key from the lock position to on, obviously normally you get that electric, whatever the noise is that sort of starts the whole bike. I don't know if it's ECU powering up or what. And then obviously you can hold down the clutch and start it up. For some reason on my bike it doesn't do that all the time. Sometimes I'll go to start it up and I can't, it's just like it's dead. And it found out that basically I either get on my hands and knees and press the kickstand sensor bit in with my hand, or jump on the bike and put the kickstand up. And sometimes it's fine. Sometimes I do not have this problem at all, but other times I do. It'd be great to know if any of you have had that problem, and if you did, what did you do to solve it? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.